In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently remove classes from Google Classroom. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to google.com. This is where our journey begins. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll need to access your Google account to make any changes. So, look for the Sign In button located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will prompt you to choose which Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one associated with the Google Classroom you want to manage. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. This is a good time to mention the importance of password security. Always make sure your password is strong and unique to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you've entered your password, click on Next to proceed. Now that you're signed in, you'll notice the Google Apps menu icon, which visually looks like a grid of dots, located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu filled with all sorts of Google applications. Here's where you'll find Google Classroom. Go ahead and click on it to enter. Once you're in Google Classroom, you might notice the interface is pretty straightforward. However, the focus of today's tutorial is on managing and removing classes, particularly those that are no longer active or needed. For this, you'll need to navigate to Archived Classes. You can find the Archived Classes option at the bottom of your Classroom homepage. Archived classes are where your old or inactive classes reside, so this is precisely where you need to be. Upon clicking on Archived Classes, you'll see a list of all the classes you have archived in the past. Look for the class you wish to delete. Each class card will have 3 vertical dots or an options menu located somewhere on it. These dots are essentially the gateway to further actions you can take on the class. Clicking on them will reveal a menu with several options, including the Delete option. It's crucial to pause here and consider if you truly want to delete the class, as this action is irreversible. Make absolutely sure this is what you want before proceeding. Assuming you are certain, go ahead and click on Delete. As a safeguard, Google Classroom will ask you to confirm this decision. You'll see another prompt asking if you're sure about deleting the class. This step is Google's way of ensuring that you don't accidentally remove something important. Once you're ready and sure, click on Delete again in the confirmation box, and that's it. You have successfully removed a class from your Google Classroom. It might feel like a handful of steps, but each one is straightforward and designed to ensure you're making deliberate changes to your Classroom account. Before I wrap up, let's go over a few additional tips to enhance your Google Classroom experience. Remember, managing your digital classroom efficiently can significantly impact your teaching or administrative duties. So, regularly archiving and cleaning up old or unnecessary classes can help keep your classroom dashboard organized and clutter-free. Also, consider renaming classes or reusing old ones for similar future courses to save time and effort. There you have it, a simple guide to removing classes from Google Classroom. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more comfortable managing your digital classroom space. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or consult Google Classroom support resources. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.